just acquired this lovely looking Ford Focus. It's the Zetec S, the sports body styling kit and the upgraded alloy wheels, and the best colour they do, sports blue, rear privacy glass, got the body styling kit, rear park distance control. It's in absolutely lovely condition. Drives superb. It's got a few other extras on it as well. Boot area is in lovely condition. It's got the sports seats with the red stitch piping. Electric windows and mirrors, obviously. It's 305 miles. Got USB's there. 6-speed gearbox. Climate control. Got Bluetooth. Satellite navigation, that's a nice extra on it. At DJI, full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please call on 07503 751 005.